Hello guys, this is Speedy's Kettle Corn here. Today we are going to make some pumpkin spice, and I've never made pumpkin spice. I'm actually not a fan of conforming to holiday spices. So I actually had some requests from customers to do a holiday spice, and of course naturally you're going to do a pumpkin spice. Ingredients today in this bag here are cinnamon, ginger root, cloves, and nutmeg. So maybe it'd be interesting to see about making it yourself. But I ordered a 5-pound bag of this, and this is from Spice Inc. I'll show you the logo of what it looks like for you to order yourself. And today my idea is to put a kettle corn base with the sugar first, and then add a little bit of salt, and then throwing this in a bag, and then shaking it all up, and then having it as our special for today. Alright guys, so we have the kettle corn ready for the pumpkin seasoning, and with this, I'm going to get a trash bag with this video here. I actually found out that instead of the food stick container, that if you use a trash bag and mix up the seasonings, I've done this before. Actually, I've seen Popcorn Genius, this is how he does it. Shout out to him. And the cool thing about this way is that it fully coats the popcorn easier, and the only thing that the drawback is that you have the cost of the bag. And of course, you have the pros of the plastic bag versus the container. You have to use more water and more paper towels. With this, you just use a trash bag, dump it in, dump the seasoning in, and mix it around. The Dale Tumbler experience. That was great. Alright, now stop. Sometimes when making cheese flavors or any kind of flavor, people always ask me, you know, how much do you put in? I don't really have a recipe that I follow. Pretty much I do it to taste. So when I put it in, I basically get if you don't want to use your own hands, I use a scoop, and as you can see here, the nice thing about this is like you'll see one here that's fully coated, one that's partially coated. So then I basically get to take a taste test of a few of them, and I basically go like this. And as long as I can taste the flavor on there, and it's not overpowering, or maybe sometimes I might need a little bit more. In this case, I think I might need a little bit more. Actually, I actually think this is enough. And so with that, we just basically get ready to start bagging, and this will be our pumpkin spice, guys. And in the actual video, I'll show you the label of what it is. I use Spice Inc. The ingredients were cinnamon, ginger root. Let me see here. Actually, forgot already. All right, so the ingredients were cinnamon, ginger root, cloves, and nutmeg. So this is a 5-pound box, and it's a great product here. And this is Shree's Kettle corn for the fall season. It's great to network with the farm, and so with that, it's a great way to get some sales. And you know, if you don't want to do a farmers market, call your local farm and see if they're doing anything for events, and then that's a good way to set up. This is Shree's Kettle corn, guys. Thanks for watching and thanks for subscribing. Please follow me on Facebook.